I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. If you find these systems a struggle, remember PD Tech offers full-service bookkeeping tailored for NZ trades.
In this video, we teach you how to edit and delete a quote in Xero. Click Sales and select Quotes. First, let's look at editing a quote. Use the Search field, or find the quote in any of the status tabs. Let's look at our draft quotes. To edit a draft quote, simply open it and make your changes. Then, click Save to update it, or Send to email it to the customer. To edit a quote you've already sent, click the Sent tab. Find and open the quote you want to edit. Click the menu icon. Then select Revise. Make the necessary changes, like modifying line items, quantities, dates, or contact information. Then, click Update to save your changes. Alternatively, click the drop-down arrow to update and send the revised quote to the customer, so they've got the updated version. To edit an accepted or declined quote, you'll first need to change its status back to sent. Let's unmark an accepted quote. The process to unmark a declined quote is the same. Click the quote to open it. Click the menu icon. Then, choose Unmark as Accepted. Your quote has been moved to the Sent tab. Now, click the menu icon and select Revise to make your edits. Finally, to delete a quote, find the quote in any of the status tabs. You can't delete a quote from the All tab. Click the checkbox next to each quote you want to delete, then select Delete. Click Delete again to confirm. Deleting a quote in Xero doesn't permanently remove it. You can find it in the All tab with a deleted status. Now you're ready to edit or delete a quote in Xero.